Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am Hina Naeem. I am from Delhi. I've done my post-graduation in PR, Ad and Marketing from YMCA, New Delhi. Today, I would like to thank India Islamic Cultural Center and English House Academy for have given me an opportunity to hone my public speaking skills. But on this special day, I owe an heartfelt thanks to RB Group of Institutions and Orient Taj Hotel for yet again giving me a stage to deliver a talk on the topic, "You all have come too far to quit now." When I look at people, I always ask them a question. I say, "Tell me, man, what Nike stands for." They say, "Oh, that's easy. Just do it." I say, "Tell me, man, what Adidas stands for." They say, "Oh, that's even easier. Impossible is nothing." And then I say, "Tell me what you stand for." When people look at you, do they think excuses? When people look at you, do they think victory? When people look at you, do they think that's a person that's going to give me everything irrespective of what they have got? Not on one day, not on 2 days, but on every single day. Here I'm talking about the real level of commitment. Commitment that falls in line even when you're not in the mood to do it. You thought you're gonna have a dream and a goal and wake up next day to some sort of a miracle? You will dream, boom. My friends, it doesn't work like that. If you have a dream, life punks you. Life punks you and say, "Do you really want this?" Your friends are gonna leave you. "Do you still want this?" Your relatives are gonna abandon you. People who will like this with you are gonna leave you, won't know how to deal with you anymore. Do you really want this? But my friends, it's a part of this journey. If you have come here, you have to go through this process. If I had to quit, I would have quit long back when I got an F grade. Long back when I came to know my friends don't like me, my colleagues don't like me, but I made through it. So why am I gonna quit now? Come on. So I'm standing here up the days to tell you all have come too far to quit. You all have invested too much to quit. You all have lost too much to quit. Don't cry about it. Don't whine about it. Stand up and get a reward for all the pain that you have gone through. You gotta take another lap. You gotta take another lap because you never know, this might be the one. You cannot stop because you're hurt. You cannot stop because you're tired. You gotta take another lap. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. You're gonna make it. You're gonna do it. You've got an unstoppable fire. Come on, take another lap. Don't you stop. Don't stop walking. Thank you very much indeed for paying heed to my words. Have a wonderful evening.